Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to say how to write simple algorithm. So let's see an example of sum of two numbers. We will see pseudocode, that is nothing but an algorithm set of instructions, and we will see a flowchart how we will draw for the same. Okay, first step will be start, and that will be written in a flowchart as in a oval start. Then the next we are entering into the algorithm. Then we will declare three integers a, b, c. Then we will draw a flowchart with an input integers of a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c. We are declaring those three integers. Next, we will define the values of a and b. Okay. And we will add the values of a and b at a time. So you can see and save the output of step 4 in C. That is nothing but step 4 is add the values of AB. So in 3, 4, 5, these three steps are done in one single flowchart. So you can see define values of AB. We need to define and add the values of A and B. We will add and we will store this sum in C. So you can see here C equal to A plus B. Nothing but we are adding step 4. Add the values of AB. We are adding A and B. And step 5, save the output of step 4 in C. We are storing it in C with equal operator C equal to A plus B. Now we need to print the C. Now we have print the C. Now the code will terminate. So this is a simple way how we can write an algorithm as well as how to draw a flowchart. Now we will see another example how we can write an algorithm finding the given number is even number or odd number. Okay, so first we will see the pseudocode as well as the flowchart. First we will start the pseudocode and algorithm start in the flowchart. Then we will declare an integer and its value, that is number equal to 10. Okay, we will declare integer and its value. Number is an integer type, so number equal to 10. Now the condition, if remainder of the number divided by 2 equal to 0. Now you can see here number equal to 10. So this number should be divided by 2. Then the remainder should be equal to 0. Then we will go to step 4 or else we will go to step 5. Okay. We will see first decision, number should be divided by 2 and that remainder should be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we will go to step 4. What is step 4? Print given number is even number. Okay. See what is step 4? Print given number is an even number. If it is equal to 0, then only we are going to step number 4. What happens if it is not equal to 0? We will go to else case. Go to step 5. You can see, and here you can see step 4. After printing and go to step 6. What is step 6? It is nothing but end. Okay. Now we will see the fifth step. Why? Because if the number is not divided by 2, which means remainder is not equal to 0, then it will go to step 5. Then it will print given number is an odd number. Then it will end. So it is a simple algorithm and simple flowchart. It is start. We are taking input number equal to 10 and we will see this number is divisible by 2 and gives remainder 0 or not. Yes, it will give the remainder is 0. Then it will come to this side and it will print given number is an even number. Then it will end. If this condition is failed, then it will go to this side and it will print the number is odd. Then it will be end. This is the path flow or flowchart. This is an algorithm. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.